Need a quick dinner? This pork tenderloin stir fry is packed with flavor and ready in just 20 minutes. All you need is a few simple ingredients. Heat a tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Add the pork. Season with salt and pepper. And cook for 3 to 4 minutes until brown and cook through to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the pork to a plate and set aside. Using the same skillet, sauté the onion and garlic until they're fragrant. This is where all those incredible flavors start to build. Add your stir-fry vegetables and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You want them tender but still crisp with a little bite. Now pour in that sweet chili lime sauce and toss everything together until the vegetables are beautifully coated. Don't leave those brown bits behind. Deglaze the pan with a splash of chicken broth or water. That's where the flavor is. Return the pork to the skillet and stir everything together until it's hot and coated in that sweet and savory sauce. Finish with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little heat. Then serve it over a bed of warm white rice. Simple ingredients, incredible flavor, and dinner is ready in just 20 minutes.
All right, let's see if it was worth it.